Hi, hello, this is Giri. Teaching 10th Mathematics. The chapter is a pair of linear equations in two variables. Here is exercise 4.2 solutions and this is part 4 video. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 7 and question number 8. Dear students, this is question number 7. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the smaller angle. Then find the angles. I shall repeat. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the smaller angle. Find the measure of both the angles. Dear students, here we have given that two angles are complementary. If the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then they are said to be complementary. Here we have to find both the angles. Therefore, let us assume that the required angles are x degrees and y degrees. Let the larger angle is x and the smaller angle is y. It is given that both the angles are complementary. Therefore, x plus y is equal to how much? X plus y is equal to 90 degrees. This is the first equation. Okay. Given the larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the smaller angle. Larger angle means x is equal to twice the smaller angle means 2 times of y minus 3 degrees. This is the second equation. X is equal to 2y minus 3. X is equal to 2y minus 3. Now let us take this plus 2y to other side. Then x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is the second equation. Now you observe both the equations. First equation is x plus y is equal to 90. And second equation is x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. You can find that both the x coefficients are same. Therefore, you can directly simplify them. Write the first equation below the second equation, x plus y is equal to 90. Now let us subtract this first equation from second. While subtraction, the signs of the lower equation may be changed. This will be minus x and this will be minus y and this is minus 90. Therefore, plus x and minus x may be cancelled. Minus 2y and minus y is minus 3y. Minus 3 and this is minus 90 will be minus 93. Then you may change the signs so that it is plus 3y is equal to plus 93 and y is equal to 93 by 3. 3 in 93, 31 times. Now let us substitute y is equal to 31 degrees in first equation. First equation is x plus y is equal to 90. X plus 31 is equal to 90 degrees and x is equal to 90 plus 31 other side minus 31. 90 minus 31 is 59 degrees. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 59 degrees and y is equal to 31 degrees. X means the larger angle and y means the smaller angle. Therefore, required angles is equal to 59 degrees and 31 degrees. Now look at question number 8. This is question number 8. An algebra textbook has a total of 1382 pages and it is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 more pages than the first part. Then find the number of pages in both the parts. I shall repeat the question. An algebra textbook has a total of 1382 pages and it is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 more pages than the first part. Then find the number of pages in both the parts. Here total we have a textbook of 1382 pages and this 1382 pages is broken into two parts. Okay, is cut into two parts. The first part may be some number of pages and second part may be some number of pages. And it is given that the condition is second part has more pages than the first part. How many more pages? 64 more pages. Okay. Therefore, let us assume that the number of pages in the first part is equal to x and the number of pages in the second part is equal to some y. Let us assume that the number of pages in the first part is equal to x and the number of pages in the second part is equal to y. If we add both the parts, then you will get the total textbook, isn't it? The total pages in the textbook is equal to 1382. Means first part pages plus second part pages, that is x plus y is equal to 1382. This is the first equation. Now it is also given that the second part has 64 more pages than the first part. Second part means the second part is y. Second part means second part is y is equal to 64 more pages than first part. First part is x. 64 pages are more, therefore add 64. Wherever you find more, you have to add it. If you find less, means you have to subtract. If you find times like terms, means you have to multiply. If you find the term like parts, means you have to divide. Here it is more, means let us add 64 to x. Y is equal to 64 plus x. Or take this x to other side. Plus x may be minus x plus y is equal to 64. This is the second equation. Let us write the first equation below the second equation. First equation is x plus y is equal to 1382. Now let us add both the equations. By adding, plus x and minus x may be cancelled. Y plus y is 2y. 1382 plus 64 is 1446. And y is equal to, here this 2 may divide, 1446 divided by 2, in 14 2 7 times, and in 4 2 times, and in 6 3 times. Therefore y is equal to 1723. Now let us substitute y is equal to 1723 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 1382. Okay. In this, let us substitute y is equal to 1723. X plus 1723 is equal to 1382, and x is equal to 1382 minus 723. If we subtract 723 minus 1382, you will get 659. Therefore, the number of pages in the first part is equal to x. X means, what is x value? 659. And the number of pages in the second part is equal to y. Y means 723. Is it clear, students? Very good. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.